nimewaletea the hit maker of Savera. Show ni antimado he. Ahadrogete rent.
Asha, thank you though.
Hi besties, welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Debbie Wambona. Leo nimewaletea the hit maker of Savera. So in the count of 1, 2, 3, drum roll. Yeah, karibu sana our guest. How are you? Kwaje kama?
Poa kabisa.
Tunakaa poa na kaosa.
Asante.
Chabi nako. Kwanza introduce just in case kwa my guest mwenye hawakujui.
Hi guys, my name is Tabi aka Duli Savera.
Duli
Savera.
Anyway, sawa. Sasa tuanze na wapi napo nasikia haya kwa the best share the nabi kuna uzito
From top.
How much for the turban? 500. How much for the white dress?
2700.
700. How much for the bells?
200.
How much for the brooch?
200.
200. How much for the fur jacket?
3000.
3000. How much for the handbag? Tuonyeshe.
1000 only.
1000 bob. How much for the black dolly shoe?
300.
300. Wow. That's nice. Show ni antimado he. Ahadrogete rent.
Asha, thank you though.
Anyway, I appreciate for your time. Thank you for kukubali wito, for hosting you. I'm humble.
Much welcome and you look lovely.
Thank you. Have a nice time.
You too.
Turus.
Bye.